Welcome to another video. Today, we're excited to share a step-by-step guide on how to create stunning resin art on glass. Let's dive right in. The first step is to mix your epoxy resin. This process typically takes about 90 seconds. Make sure to follow the instructions on your resin kit for the best results. Next, we'll pour the resin onto the glass. Start by drawing a rectangle close to the edges, and then work your way toward the center. Once the resin is poured, we'll carefully spread it across the surface. It's crucial to spread slowly. If you spread too quickly, the tape along the edges might detach, causing the resin to spill over the sides.
My sweet little toots, I swear I'll find you. Through this pain I'll push. Oh, how I turn back the time to hold you close, to feel that love so fine in the shadow. See a way to bring us back home. Flashbacks and silent cries, memories fade but the pain remains.
We'll use a leveling bag to ensure an even distribution.
I see your face in every frame, a timeless reflection, it's my shame. Regret runs deep through the sleepless nights, tears have been my guide. And oh, how I yearn to turn back the time, hold you close, protect you from the climb. In the shadow of my mistakes I stand alone, searching for the road that leads back home. Time moves slowly but memories last. Late nights staring at the empty.
Joe will then gently sprinkle glitter into the resin for that eye-catching sparkle we all love.
Echoes of laughter, a bittersweet sound. In this lonely room, love's unbound. Tracing your footsteps where they used to be. Dreaming of the days you were here with me. I missed your laughter, missed your tears. Through the distance, hoped you'd conquer fears. I should have been there, should have stayed to catch your fall in every game you played. In the silence.
After the glitter is added, we'll use a torch to eliminate any pesky bubbles that may have formed. This step is essential, as those bubbles can be both a blessing and a curse.
And I won't be happy till you're home in Texas. I'm sorry.
Now it's time to get creative with patterns. For our first pattern, we'll use a pet hair removal tool to draw smooth lines in the resin.
After the joy amidst the rain, your tiny hands in mine. Those moments slip away, but in my dreams you're here like you never went. I'll whisper to the stars, bring her back to me. Every mile I drive, I hold on to that plea. I'm smitten through the distance, I've watched you from afar, counting down the days beneath this wishing star. I know I've made mistakes, can't turn back the clock, but I'll climb every mountain, be your solid rock.
To achieve a natural movement, we've placed the glass at an angle, allowing gravity to assist in creating beautiful, flowing lines. For our next design, we'll use a squirt bottle filled with a different color of resin to draw thin lines across the surface.
In this Texas dream, where I belong, chasing your smile, it's been so long. Each day's a tunnel leading to your face, wondering if you know my love's undying grace. Your voice a distant echo in this hollow space, wishing I could hold you, feel your warm embrace. I saw us blazing trails beneath the moonlight, thought you were the one to keep me upright. Every whisper, every secret shared,
This time, we'll switch to a squirt bottle with a wider neck to create thicker lines. Remember to maintain a consistent direction while drawing these lines. You're probably wondering, how did you guys get started with resin on glass, and what's the purpose behind it? Well, the story goes like this. We recently began collaborating with a glass manufacturer who received numerous orders for resin-on-glass projects. Their clients were eager to incorporate this unique technique into their designs. That's when we decided to dive in and develop some captivating patterns using this new method. Now, when I say new method, I'm not referring to the patterns themselves, but rather the innovative way we've discovered to attach resin to glass. This involves a specific resin formulation and pre-treatment process that ensures a strong, long-lasting bond between the two materials. We're excited to share all the details of this groundbreaking technique with you in our upcoming training course. Whether you're a seasoned resin artist or just starting out, this course will equip you with the knowledge and skills to create stunning resin-on-glass masterpieces of your own. Stay tuned for more information on the training course, where you'll learn the ins and outs of our resin-on-glass process. We can't wait to see what you create once you master this innovative technique. Finally, we'll use a specialized tool to create grooves in the resin. This technique will allow the resin to mix and fill in the spaces, resulting in a unique texture and appearance.
I saw us blazing trails beneath the moonlight. Thought you were the one to keep me upright. Every whisper, every secret shared. You had me believing, girl, you really cared. She was my sunrise in the nighttime. Had my heart.
At this point, we want to preserve the look of the resin. So instead of using the torch again, we'll spray a bit of alcohol to eliminate any remaining bubbles. And that's it. Our resin-on-glass project is complete. It's important to note that we've adjusted our resin formulation and pre-treated the glass to ensure the resin adheres properly and doesn't peel off. Now it's time to admire your beautiful creation. Feel free to experiment with different colors or add extra steps to enhance your piece even further.
The way you smiled, it kept me so entranced. But I was just another in your dance. Saw the signs, but
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.
drowning dreams washed away by our pain. I tried to be a shield from the cold, held you close, gave my heart to hold. Truth came out, your love was all pretend. Guess I'm just a chapter now.